McCormick's internship program gives interns the responsibility of a full-time employee and challenges them to complete projects that have high importance to the company, and that definitely gives someone the experience that they need to be successful in a full-time role.
McCormick allows you to be on the front line. You are responsible for your project. Your project is not a simple project. It makes impact.
Honestly, I don't feel like an intern. I feel like I'm a full-time employee.
The thing I loved about McCormick was you worked, and it felt like you were doing things to move the company forward.
It's really actual working experience, not just some random task to hand to an intern.
I had project sponsors that expected things of me. A big learning was just in the workforce, you will have a manager, and that is a very different relationship than having a professor. I got to have that relationship and learn what it meant to put forth my own goals and objectives while also meeting deadlines.
There's so many things to learn about, so many perks to pick up on.
Some of my favorite activities have been the volunteering experience that we got to go to, and I also just really enjoy the intern lunches that we do on occasion.
More people actually want to interact with you, even potentially learn from you, you learn from them.
Working with such a inspiring, diverse group of individuals has really pushed me to get out of my comfort zone, and I think a lot of these skills that I've learned in this internship, you can't get anywhere else.
They actually cared. They took the time to actually work one-on-one with me and help me get hands-on experience.
McCormick has supported me in a lot of ways throughout my internship and the transition to full-time. The work that I did as an intern really was implemented. It's not like you're just here for the summer and that's it.
I would 100% recommend McCormick's internship program. It has been one of the best experiences I've had in my college career. I feel like I've learned so much since I've been here.
McCormick helps prepare individuals for their careers by setting a great foundation, helping you with anything that you need, and that's the great thing about McCormick.
An internship at McCormick is a great way to grow your leadership skills, challenge yourself, and have a whole bunch of fun.